Katkum ke telong kubor batikna ki pulit jong ke riboy mentagesngi kele yo ban Khangkdong ya kawai ke kali Assam kabadon ya registration number AS01LC iwe badla kurup ye shibon ba ki tiar pynbthei la kamru ya arngut ki besong ha kane ke kali pakantup yo nongnya harengka itei ki tiar pynbthei ki balatmu ban lejbu shakawai ke jaka ya ke kerteng jong kini ki arngut labori iswa khanang man omthut ka jingto akin ki tiar pynbthei bala yo kurum ki kentup ya ar song ki aluminium electronic detonators badon arpusantali ha kawai ka song bad ru khat asenduk ki new gel ne ki kai superintendent of police ka riboy u giri prasad uletho ba kane ka kali kadai ka bawan na East Jaiñtia hills banle sharani bazar ha Guwahati henry ka te ka jingtmu jongki ban penha ya ki tiar kala pulom no hadin bakila sha Khangkdong no ha Byrnihat kakas ta ki pulit jong ka Byrnihat outpost la register case katkom badai bat ka jingto kit ha ka bedai bat kane kadang ya ban yo kem ye gitu ki brew ki bedon kiti ha kane ka company ya bian ya ki tiar pynbthei klem keno ki kot ki sla ki babyang ban pen I ba ki la yo bor na ka an ong uprasad.
I mean around 16th February, so night 2 o'clock. So we received information from a reliable source that a particular vehicle suspected to carry explosives in huge numbers, which may be illegal in nature. So then the team under IC Byrnihat has set up a naka around 2 o'clock. And we are checking the vehicles, all the vehicles, light vehicles and other vehicles which are suspected to carry explosive substances. So around 5 o'clock, the one vehicle number A01LC 1112 was intercepted by the Byrnihat outpost Naka. So the vehicle initially did not stop while checking, and the vehicle was followed up to 12th mile, and they have been detained at 12th mile. So after detaining the vehicle, then there were two occupants in the vehicle. So in the interest of investigation, we will not reveal the two occupants of the vehicle. Then once the vehicle was checked, then it was found that there were almost 24 packets of aluminium electronic detonators. So the number of detonators might be around approximately 1200 in numbers. Along with it, there were around 305 kgs of gelatin sticks, neo-gel gelatin sticks, which were seized from the vehicle. Along with that, there is also two mobile phones seized from the accused. And the accused have been arrested, and Mawphor PS case 22/2022 under Section 5A of Explosive Substances Act has already been registered, and the matter is still under investigation. So far this much only can be revealed, and further details will be followed up. And one more thing I would like to say that so Meghalaya State Police have intensified the crackdown on illegal pilferages of explosives, because they might be used for any other activities which are not legal and lawfully permitted. So that is the main thing, and this exercise will keep continuing in the district. And any substances, explosive substances which are unauthorized or illegally transported, the exercise against that will keep continuing.
During the investigation, is there any?
There's no legal documents. That is why we have initiated the case, because ideally, for transportation of explosives, they should carry proper documents, and the vehicle also should be authorized.
From which locations did this vehicle come?
This had come from, suspectedly to come from, further investigation will reveal much more details, come from East Jaiñtia hills, Ladrambai. And supposedly the vehicle was proceeding towards Rani Bazar of Guwahati, where supposedly it has to be delivered to someone, which we are still investigating.